Well, this is going to be part 3 of our 4-inch chop videos on the 37 pickup cab. So we're going to finish cutting these pillars, cut the jamb back here. Let's get after it. I'd like to see if I can set this roof on there. Kind of gives you an idea what we're dealing with. Using our template it worked very well in the front. We've got issues in the back though. I'll spin this around and show them to you. Yep. So the issue I've got is this structural piece on the inside of the cab. I mean, we're just gonna have to cut it out. Yeah, this is gonna have to go away. When I remove this, I'll put a new piece of structure around here. With these ribs, it's probably fine, but we need to cut this out. The cab could fold in this way, so I need to put a piece going across before I do that. Great. So I added a cross piece because I'm going to remove this structure across the back. And I'm going to do it right here so we still have it here. And then I'll end up maybe moving it down to this and welding it on, or I'll make a new bracket or a new piece. But this has the contour of the cab, so I'm probably just going to move it down. But I need to cut this so we can put the cap on without this in the way. So let's do it. Well, our lines line up. Very happy. I didn't do this good of a job when I cut the roof off of Gold Rush, and I can tell right now that this is going to turn out much better. This is right where I want it to be. This line is straight. I'll have some trimming to do right here, which is fine. I got a guest.